Okay, so today on this video, I'm making two airplanes, the Dart and another airplane. I don't know what it's called, but first I'm going to start with the Dart. I am not that fast at making airplanes, but yeah. I'm kind of fast, but you know, just not too fast. Oh shit. I taught you how to make. How to teach you how to I forget what it's called, but it's like how to make the Dart paper airplane. It's like something like that. But yeah, you really want to get that tip down as far as you can, but so it flies better. And here it is, the Dart. Okay, so now for this crazy one that I just so happened to make one. One day I decided to just fold it in a way, and it just kind of happened. So I'm gonna stop talking and just just make this. Okay. Oh no, that was the wrong airplane, so I'm just gonna move you down here. I forgot how to make this, but I remember now, and it got me. Okay, so if you want to rewind the video to learn how to make this airplane, you can do it, but I might make a video on how to, so I don't see why not, but yeah. It's kind of like the Dart, but you do something else instead. Instead of folding it in half like this, you use something else. You fold this corner. After I'm done making this one, I am going to go outside. Even though it's sprinkling a little bit, but who cares? It's not like I'm like really want these. I can just make a new one. So yeah. And then you have it. It's pretty small, but it works pretty well actually. Okay, so first up. Oh, but not yet. I'm walking out the door. Getting out the door. It is kind of raining, so I'm gonna stand right here. I'm gonna set the phone down right here. So first up is the Dart. At least it landed on the ground, but yeah, okay. Then now it is weird one, yeah. Man, that went far. I've never actually flew that one outdoors before, so I never really know how to do it. Okay, let's go get it. Man, that is just, wow. I've never actually threw it outdoors, so I never really know how far it goes. Let me fly it again. Wow, that actually goes pretty far. It is kind of rainy, so that's probably why they don't fly good now. They're not in good shape, but... Oh, did you see that? how this landed. I know you might find it hard to believe, but, oh, what the? Okay. Well, that just popped out of nowhere. I'm not sure if that is poisonous, so I'm just going to leave that alone. Thanks for watching, and if you want me to make more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like.